This fresh tomato salsa takes just minutes to make, but one simple ingredient makes it taste like it came from a restaurant. 4 medium fresh tomatoes diced, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 jalapeño pepper finely chopped, 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro chopped, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 garlic clove minced. Add 4 medium diced tomatoes in a large bowl. Add 1 thinly chopped onion to the tomatoes. Remove the seeds from 1 jalapeño if you want less heat, then mix it in. Add 1 minced garlic clove for a fresh, bold flavor. Sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon salt and pour over 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice. Add 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro and gently mix everything together until well combined. Let the salsa rest for 10 minutes so the flavors blend and become even more delicious. Be honest, would you make this salsa mild or extra spicy? Comment your choice below.